Hi there, Diana of Crooked Little Studio here. So, as you know, I work with random colors all the time, and I'm always making these really interesting discoveries with color. So, I wondered if random shapes could spark a little creativity as well. This is a foam stamp, just something that I made. I started off with a piece of adhesive back foam this size to make the stars. This was one I did for my grandson. And these are the leftover pieces. So I've grabbed another piece of cardboard just to see. I'm gonna just play around with this and speed it up because I'm sure it's gonna take a little while just to see what happens. So here we have it. I ended up making two out of those leftover pieces. Normally I would just throw them away. But yeah, this isn't something I would normally make. This isn't normally my style, but I think I'm going to like them, and I'm glad I made them. And you'll probably see them in an upcoming reel on Instagram.